I'm Jin Shi. I just started the Zoom meeting with you at office. You know, I go from office to our factory area. Just 1 minute, but my internet cut out. Okay, let's go to see our factory area. Give me my phone. Let's see. I just want to show you in our Zoom meeting, but internet cut off. You see, this is the machine we suggest to you. 2 layers YK2460. This is 2 layers. This is we make for other clients. Export to Russia market. This is our other product screening equipment. Okay, and there is another factory area is in manufacturing also. After this, another factory area. If you want to see, I will take videos to you later on.